In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to reset your Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the phone app and make sure you're on the dialer and type in *#06 and then pound. That's going to show us our IMEI. Now make sure you write down this number at the top. You're going to need that for later on in the video. Next, we're going to go to Google Chrome or to the internet, and we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. First is the manufacturer, which is Samsung. Next is the model. Now you're going to go down to the G's, Galaxy, and then go to Galaxy S, and it's a big list, so you'll be swiping for a little bit. S21 Plus, and then tap Unlock Now. Then you're going to select the country you purchased the phone in and the carrier. In this case, it's AT&T. Hit Next. And on this very last screen, we'll ask you to enter your contact information as well as the IMEI that we got in the first step of the video here. So IMEI, your name, email address, and a contact number. And here it'll show you the pricing. Now keep in mind the pricing does vary depending on the carrier, so those numbers could be different, but they always give you a discount either way, so you're saving $15. And you should get a reply with your unlocking final instructions within 24 hours. So that's nice and quick. Now, one other cool thing I want to point out just before we would submit this, at the top of the screen, you'll find a toll-free number you can call or text 24 hours a day to get help if you're having trouble with the unlock. There's also a message button right here. And certain times of the day, they do have a web chat as well where you can contact someone. So if you ever run into any issues, you can always reach out to them. The cool thing too is they have a money back guarantee, so if for whatever reason they can't get your phone unlocked, they will give you your money back. When you're finished and ready to proceed, you're going to tap on the order now, and that is going to get your order processed. You will need to enter a credit card or PayPal information to pay, and then you'll wait for them to email you. Now it does take again, about 24 hours, and the process to unlock the phones does vary depending on the carrier. So you're gonna need to wait until you get that email to do the final instructions. Now, one thing you will need to do either way is you will need to take this little SIM tool that you'll find in the box of your phone to pop out the SIM card and put in the SIM card of the service you wanna use the phone for. In this case, I wanna use this phone for T-Mobile, so I'm gonna pop in a T-Mobile SIM card. You will find the SIM tray at the bottom of the phone. So you'll just use this. There's a small hole that you'll push this into, pop out the tray, put in that new SIM card, and then restart the phone. And then the final step is when the unlocking company emails you, they will have the final few steps you need to do to get your phone unlocked. So we'll leave a link below in the description of the website. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.